She's all mine.
Why can't I love you the way that I want?
I'm going to show you guys baby soon. Yeah, we're going to be seeing our baby soon.
Maybe it's something. Maybe it's nothing.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to another vlog. How are you guys doing? If you're seeing this amazing beautiful face for the first time, I'm Stephy and you're welcome to this place. My return subscribers, hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be the start of a new vlog. I don't know where this vlog is going to, but I'm sure it's going to be an interesting one. Okay, so hope you guys are good. Yeah, today is Friday and our baby is here and today is her photo section. Not really newborn because on Wednesday, today is Friday, she completed 7 weeks on Wednesday, so almost going to 2 months. She's no longer a newborn, but yeah, she is. I decided to do like a photo section for her. I just love doing it for my kids. When I say kids, it will be as if I have like 4 before. Anyway, I did it for her sister. I think we did for her sister the exact day she became 6 weeks. Yeah, because I was like trying to like heal and all those stuff. So yeah, in this one I decided to do it no matter. I wanted to like just forget about it, but I'm like, okay, let me just do it because I just want them to have that memory, like seeing themselves while they were very, very young, you get. So yeah, we're going to be doing the photo section today. Okay, yeah, while I wait for the photographer, I'm going to show you guys baby soon. Yeah, we're going to be seeing our baby soon, don't worry. So hi guys, this is baby. She's 2 weeks, I say 2 weeks, 7 weeks, 2 days today. Say hi. Say hi. Ah, are you smiling? I smile. See the way she's looking directly into the camera. Smile. 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 Let me see if I can make her to smile. Hi, baby. Hi, Sidea. Hi, Sidea. She only smiles for her sister. I am smile. Hi, Sidea. Sister is not here. Sister is upstairs. Should we call sister to make you smile? Her name is Baby Sidea. That is Kachimu Sidea. That's her Igbo name, like her native name. Yeah, Kachimu Sidea means the way my God has written it. Yeah, and then Elvira, meaning pure truth. And yeah, her surname. And then her daddy said her name is Ifenkili. Ifenkili means, I don't even know how I'm going to explain it. It's a, like her dialect name. Is there anything like that? Our dialect. Her name in our dialect. Is there anything like that? Anyway, Ifenkili means like something to be looked at, something to be adored. If that's the meaning, literally, right? I don't know, but I think so. Anyways, that is her names. That is her names. Yeah. You don't want to say hi again. There's no lights. The inverter is, it's only the inverter that is on and there's no fan here. So I think she's hot. Are you ready for your shoot? 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 See, are you looking at yourself? See the way she's looking at camera. You're going to like camera, right? You have to. Because you started creating while you are in your tummy. While you are in mommy's tummy baking. So yeah. This is baby Sidea. Like I said before, her name is Kamari. I'm still not used to her, but I'm used to calling my other baby's name, my first baby's name, Kamarida Chin. So most times I mistake calling her Kamarida. Yeah, but I know with time I'm going to get used to knowing that there's another baby called Kachimu Sidea, not Kamarida. Okay. So this is Kachimusideya Elvira. Ifan Ekili. Are you seeing her? Ifan Abi Ekili. She's so adorable, like. And she's all mine. She's all mine. So because of the weather, I didn't really like wear her something that will cover her all through. You guys, there's heat. The heat is hitting, okay? So we are just going to wear this for now until the photographer comes, and then she'll change into her photo shoot outfit. Look here, look here, look here. Okay guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Let's begin our shoot. When we start our shoot, I meant to say I'll talk to you guys later. So meanwhile, my gadget baby is here. My gadget baby is here, and my sweet real baby is here. You guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Let me go and attend to her and then wait for the photographer to come. Okay? Bye. So we're setting up. Setting up. This is for the first outfit. That's the peach kinda. If you see it now, it will look very simple. But I said the way it's looking now, it's looking like. Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, it looks small. Okay. Oh, that one looks cute. Oh, this is so cute. Let me see. But this is for the white one. Umbrella. Yeah, umbrella. Yeah, umbrella. It's for Sidaya's shoes, not yours. Yeah, umbrella. Yeah, it's so cute. Let me see you holding it. Don't like this. Go, let me see. Yeah, umbrella. This is our outfit. This is the white one. The big sister. Another outfit. Gay, I dance. I dance now. Mama, I dance. Gay, gay. I dance. Mama, see I dance. Reader. I dance. Gay. Yes, Mama, look at that. Say cheese. Cheese.
Look at yellow camera. See yellow, color yellow. Yeah, kiss baby.
Cheese, baby.
Oh, I like that. the right position for it. Yeah, kiss baby, kiss baby.
It's okay, it's okay.
Ah, I can't see your face. Yeah, look here, look here. Ah.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life.